Now you messed it up. It was supposed to be your line.
What line?
It was supposed to be out of this world science lab.
Out of this world science lab.
No, it was not supposed to be like that. It was supposed to be like this. Out of this world science lab with Bianna and Lauren.
So what is it exactly?
Today.
Tonight? Tomorrow morning? What is it anyway?
I don't know. Don't be asking me. So, if you mind if I open this real quick. So, here is our slime hack. We made this. This is our first slime. Galaxy slime. So we must take that out.
So we're making slime?
Yes.
Out of this world slime.
Yes. We first have to test it because before we don't know what will happen if we do a whole batch.
Will aliens pop out of it?
No. Would you show yourself and sit in the chair over here? No, not over there, over here. Just turn the chair around.
A chair upon a chair. I have nowhere to sit.
Put the chair down. So, get your son up. So we first we are going to add a tiny bit of this.
What's that?
Slime mixture thing. It says it on the bag.
Red color change in slime powder, but it's orange.
Because it's turning red. It's orange to red when you eat it.
Do not eat or swallow. Made in China. I don't know if this is safe.
Well, we've had that for a
You
while.
opened it
now.
already?
No. So we're gonna add a little bit of this in there and a little bit of water and then shake it up and test it.
That powder went right up my nose.
Good. You've been acting up and
I'm telling you, it was already open.
how do we just add a teeny bit? Oop. Oop. That'll work.
Sure you know what you're doing?
Yes.
Beginning to wonder. And it looks orange to me. Now it looks yellow. Now it's yellow. Are we missing something?
I don't know.
Indicate you will have a test tube with lid. Liquid dropper. Color change in slime powder. A space slime. And a petri dish with a lid.
Don't think we have enough.
And a very big, giant, powdery mess will result.
Okay, this is the test tube. I don't think this is making any slime. Here, shake it. But it does stain your stuff. No! It's leaking. I don't know how to do it. Ew.
It's becoming something.
And it's not.
Guess let's keep going.
Ooh, it does become slime. And no, it doesn't. Stop! We're only testing it. We need water. No, not that much! We only need a few drops.
Look at there's smoke coming out of there. It's like chemical warfare. Don't drink that water.
Maybe I should try on the table.
Oh, I think it's working.
Ew. Ew, this is not working.
So if this is the test tube, now what do we do?
I'm trying to take it out. I don't think it has anything.
Oh.
I've been a complete failure. Yeah,
This is our experiment.
Okay, now let's try the whole bag.
Do we want this in here?
No.
It's just staying in here
Yeah,
for now.
yeah. That was only our test. Ugh, smoke. We will need a spoon. Go get me a spoon, sidekick.
I thought we had one over here.
We don't. Ew. You don't want to know what's happening here. It's
A spoon, a spoon. I got the spoon, spoon,
Give me a spoon.
It's gonna cost you. I don't want that thing. That thing, I don't know, something wrong with
Ooh, it's clay. It worked.
You're gonna only be able to get it out if you tap it out.
Just tap it into the bowl.
Reminds me of that kinetic sand.
It is kinetic. Add some of that in there, and then maybe mix. I think we didn't add. Well, we did add the whole packet.
You probably don't got, I don't know. Maybe we'll add this in there.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Oh, make more texture. Whoa. Person.
Wow.
Oh, it's making something. Ew. It looks like apple cider. Applesauce.
Haha!
Yes, it's out. It's out. We get Oh my god, it's slime. It's slime.
It's, it looks like my pumpkin puree. Wonder if we can make pumpkin cookies with it.
No, it's poisonous.
Who's gonna know?
You could die.
Maybe it'll cure coronavirus.
No, it won't. It was made in China with the coronavirus. Person. Unless it has the cure in it. Ew, it looks like banana mush. Let's take it out and put it in the container. Where's the container? It's kinetic slime clay thing.
Kinetic sand.
Slime.
Galaxy. Out of the world sand.
No, it's slime.
It's from space.
It's kinetic slime. Sand. Yeah, it's not ready yet. A little bit more mixing will do. Look, we will do 10 more minutes of mixing. Little improvements. So we have like it's like turning into something like, I don't know. We added like half of the half cup of water. Yes, added a little more. So maybe the stuff that's sticky will unstick.
Why don't we show them what it looks like so far? Yes, she don't know what she did.
Well, this is my first slime mixture, and plus, this is from China. This is our own. We'll make our own after this. It's like, ew, it's sticking together!
It's
Okay, take it out.
It's becoming like gel. Bouncy ball material here.
Come here. It
Feels like
jelly.
bouncy balls.
Yes, it feels like rubber.
Let's see if it bounces.
No, put it in the container. Put it in the container. Come here. You should be listening to the person that works the lab. Fatten? Sorry, I said fatten instead of flatten. This turned into a bouncy ball. I actually kind of like this from China because it turned into a bouncy ball instead of slime, and it's okay. Because I didn't want it. Actually, it feels like slime. Okay, time to test how good it's. This is not slime. Well, you bouncy ball. You so nothing. There's totally a whole different desk back there. And that is like a kids area. And like
Ugh, my hands stink of that stuff.
Rub it in the water. Rub it in the water. Drop it in the water. Put it in the bowl.
Alright, I think our experiment is hairy. and bouncy. What other observations can you make about this? The lid won't go on. It's not containable. It's coming alive, people. It's coming alive. It's coming, moving slowly out of its container. I see it. It's from space. It's from space. Oh my God.
Ah! It's actually terrifying. Don't mind what happened back there. Okay. Stop.
All right, guys. So I think maybe we'll have to see
Okay, let's compare our slime.
what happens when it stays in this container overnight.
Galaxy
If
slime.
we can keep it in there.
The galaxy slime feels like normal slime. That feels like a bouncy ball. Okay, maybe we will come back tomorrow. I just want to play with the water. Did you break it?
It broke it.
No. No, you broke it.
Well, that's all, folks. Bye-bye.
We'll see you tomorrow.